This is the first tab of the report spreadsheet called Pupil Reference. So in here we put the standard data for all of our students or pupils. You can see there's comments to direct what needs to be done where. You will probably have most of this information on other spreadsheets or databases, and you'd be able to copy and paste those into here without too much difficulty. The only thing you may not have on that would be what we're going to put in the first column, and that needs to be a unique name. So I'm going to manually enter one pupil, and this pupil is going to be Joe Bloggs. Now let's say in my class I have Joe Stevens as well, so I've got Joe Stevens and Joe Bloggs. I need a way to distinguish between those. So for the first name, which must be unique, I'm going to use Joe B. Okay, now that's not going to be put into any of the comments. The forename, which is over here, that will be put in. So it's not going to put Joe B into the reports. So that's fine. And that's a boy, so I'll put he. All of these update according to the pronouns that have been entered down here. So it looks up for the first one and then enters all this row in there. So you can change those. If you change them, you might want to change these to make sure you remember when you're actually creating your comments what goes where. But I'm going to keep those as they are, and then I put the forename and the rest of the data. This is just an example for what information we might have. The percentage signs automatically get put in. And I'm going to customize the grades. So this grade will be for an important homework. So I'm going to call it HW7. So homework 7 was an important one. So there's room for 4 of these grades, as you can see. So that's the induction test, that was important too. And then remember that you will have to type these out wherever you want them to occur in the report. So I'm going to just simplify that and call it ind test. And I'll know that's induction test. Okay, so that's our report. That's our grades customized. Now I'll just put the marks in for this particular student, Joe Bloggs. So 64%. Here I need to put the percentage in because you could also put in 7 out of 10 or whatever it might be. And that's Joe Bloggs data entered. So that's all we need to do on the pupil reference sheet. You'll notice that I was only entering data where the cells were coloured orange, including on this top row. So these ones we wouldn't be able to edit there. And I entered one in here, but these ones automatically updated, so I didn't need to enter anything in the clear cells there.